Hello everyone. So today I'm going to discuss about that how a standard process in SAP has been executed in OTC scenario. So the first thing which we do is process wise is creation of an inquiry. Then we do the creation of quotation. Then we do the creation of order, and then we do the delivery and billing simultaneously. So let's start with the first process. The first process starts with VA11. That's the transaction code for inquiry. If I put yeah, here I need to put my inquiry number, that is inquiry type, that is IN, my sales of channel and division. If I press enter, go to sold to party, which will be your customer number, which you can find out from the business partner number. Mention your material number. In this case, it's 6334 in my case. I have mentioned the order quantity is as 10. If I do it, I need to go on more, click on edit and incompletion log. So once I click on incompletion log, it checks all the settings in the background and tells that is there any some information missing or not. So in this case it's not. So if document is complete has been displayed, press enter and control S. Now this is the inquiry number which has been created. I'll make a note of that number. Now the next process is quotation creation, which is done with the help of a quotation type QT. Press enter. Quotation type is QT, transaction code is VA21, sales of channel and division the same one. I'm going to mention my sold to party, which is the customer number again. I'm going to mention my material number and mention the quantity, order quantity as 10 here. Once I do that, I have to go back and click on edit to check that everything is fine or not with the help of incompletion log. Now once I do this, press enter and save. You will see there's a quotation number created now, which is fine. Make a note of that number again. Now the third process is standard order, one of the most critical part of OTC and very important step. So the transaction code is VA01. So if I click on VA01, order type is OR, sales org is RG, whatever the sales org channel and division which you have mentioned. Go inside this. Sold to party, again similar process. Material number similar, quantity also the same as in quotation. If I press enter, I can see here, double click on this material just to cross check. Go on shipping tab and find out that plant, shipping point and store location should be filled up. If anything is blank here, then it will create a little problem going forward. So you need to do a cross check on that part. So for me, this is RGSL. Press enter. Now also go on schedule lines to find out that what are the scheduling dates. You can see here this is, for me this is 13/5/2024. I'm just doing a cross check on that. These dates are same, which is fine. Again, you can go back, go on more, click on incompletion log, and the order is complete. So press enter and save this. You can get the order number, which is 3214 in my case. Now the fourth step is creation of delivery document, which is done with the help of transaction code VL01N. So if I go here, it will ask for a shipping point. It will ask for a selection date and also the order number, which should come automatically. In case the shipping point is not coming automatically, please fill your shipping point, as I show you in the how we can find that in the order level. Same way, the selection date should be same as the schedule line date. So this should match again. Press enter. Go on this picking tab. This is important, guys. Also make sure that your storage location is filled up here. Now mention the same quantities as mentioned in the delivery document. So which is in this case it is 10. Press enter and control S. So once I mention press enter and control S, this document is created. But also I need to do a post goods issue of that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in the change mode of delivery, which is done with the help of VL02N. And go inside. Here you can see an option of a post goods issue. This means once you do this, they are posting your goods outside the plant or the factory. Unless until this process is initiated, the shipment process will not start. So please click on post goods issue. So I can see my document is complete, and even I can check on the document flow. You can go and check this out. So you can see here that order is done, delivery is created, picking request is done, confirmation of service is also done. Now the last step, final step is billing a document. For that the transaction code is VF01. Let's see how this has to be done. VF01, if I press enter. Here nothing has to be done majorly, you have to just press enter if you see a yellow message at the bottom and control S. So once you save this, you will again get a yellow message which is okay. Just ignore that message and the document is created. Please make a note of that document, and this will finish off the billing cycle. So there are majorly 5 steps in standard order: inquiry, quotation, order, delivery and billing, which is done in this process. I hope you got a clarity on how this has to be done. Thank you so much, guys.